Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Sharbat-e Limoo, also known as Limonata. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'm going to do this recipe based on 4 lemons. Now you can use limes as well if you like. So all we're going to do is cut these all straight through the middle, and we're just going to juice all of these. Now once you get all the juice out, don't throw the peels out. We're going to put these into a pot. Alright, so that should roughly give us about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. And I've just got all our peels into a pot here. Now to this we're going to top it up with 3 cups of water, as well as 1 cup of white sugar. Now let's move on to our stove. So just on a medium heat, we just want to bring this up to the boil. Now give it a stir to make sure all that sugar and water is combined. Alright, so once you get a gentle boil like that, we're just going to boil this for about a minute, just to make sure the sugar is completely dissolved, and to get all the flavour out of our lemon peel. Alright, so we'll turn our heat off at this point, and we're going to add our lemon juice straight in. And we're also going to add about 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now just let that sit there for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, we're just going to go ahead and strain this. Now just let that cool down before we serve. Alright, and to serve, just into a large jug with some ice. We'll put this straight in. So just into a glass, we'll put 1 sprig of fresh mint and top it up. And just look at how refreshing that looks. And that's all there is to it. So guys, serving wise, if you're not going to serve this straight away, obviously don't put the ice in straight away. Put the ice in when you're going to serve it. Now if you keep this into the fridge, it'll pretty much last forever, but best results 1 or 2 months. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.